If you want to customize the lock screen on a POCO C85, we can just open Settings. Next, over here, we're gonna scroll down a little bit and find Personalization. In here, we can tap on the lock screen. Over here, of course, we have many different presets that we can choose from. So you can start with that if you want to completely change the theme or style of your lock screen. In my case, I'm gonna stick with the standard one, and you can tap on Customize. Now in here, we can tap on this section where we have the time, for example. There we go. At the top, we have the first type of content that we can customize. So you can choose whichever information should be written over there. We can tap on the time in order to customize the font and content of the time. So as you can see, we have many different options to choose from. Just choose whichever you wish to use. There we go. And of course, we can also enter a signature. So you can write your message over here that will be visible in the lock screen. Besides that, at the bottom, we can find wallpaper effects. So you can apply a blur. We have different lenses, glass effects, and so on and so forth. And also we have font effects, so you can change colors over here. We have a primary color, so you can just use a single color, or you can switch also to secondary and you can have two tones. Simple as that. That's pretty much it. Once you are done with the changes, just tap on the apply button in the upper right corner. And if you made any changes to the wallpaper, then of course you can update it for both the lock screen or lock screen and home screen. So let's say I'm gonna choose apply to both. Subscribe to my channel.